All right, here goes nothing. Hood will not unlatch on the passenger side. Read things online about it. I am not a mechanic. I'm just trying to save some money. I'll try to pop it. And you can see like only one side's loose. Other side's still. So in order to get that left side open, I've seen people take this off, but I'm afraid because I've read that you can break a clip, and I don't want to do that. I've been around with this before and was able to get a rod in there. It's about 21 inches long, but the working spot you need to get to the latch from the tip to 17 inches. And I put tape up in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go on the right side of that fin there. Oh, I think I just got it. Nope. No. Oh, yeah, it's not easy. Oh, there we go. There's a little bend in there. That's how I got it before. But Jesus. Yeah, America. I was doing it wrong. Come on. Yeah. In your face. It's hard to see, but there's little ribs on there. You go right under that second rib. You're looking at 17 inches to the fourth fin right on the outside, right to this part right here. Thank God. That's the hardest part, I hope. There's a new one on eBay. I'm sorry, eBay. Amazon. I don't use eBay anymore. Let's see how this goes. Bought these guys. Pick tools. They said you definitely need it for. Cock! That's the one. Yeah, thank God for this. Yeah, in your face. You can see this slides out. There we go. That's one. That is one. Everybody. Here's the part. Here's the rub, as they say. Here we go. That's one. Yep. It's like operation. That's what I do. I work on BMWs. It's time for this sumbitch. This was the bad. You son of a bitch! It hooked right in. Holy crap. All right, let's not start you know what in each other's you know what's just yet. Freaking way. I can get that thing hooked on there. It's got a bend in it, you know what I mean? The angle, so I don't know how to. Needle nose. No, they're not. Hi, buddy. I don't know how the hell you're supposed to do this. See that thing? Mm-hmm. That black piece? I've seen people go through there, but I'm not about to try it. Oh. Wires right here. Guys going through that hole, you know what I mean, like they're supposed to. There you go, girl. This thing with the bend is prohibiting me, you know what I'm saying? Like the curve goes. I don't
see where this one is.
It's over here. This. There we go. Here we go. We're getting some progress now. All right, not sure where I left off, but last time I was trying to get the wire, the cable, which is right here, through this hole right there. It just wouldn't work right. I couldn't get it to angle properly while it was connected. I'm guessing at least $2,000 for this. We had a gas tank issue, which they had to drop the axle, and it was $6,000. I'm just glad I saved some money and it works.